Alright guys, I'm going to show you a quick install of the Motion Rife Driveshaft sensor. It's Brian here, Brian 03 Cobra. I'll give you a quick walkthrough. It's pretty simple. Just wanted to give anyone the option or the ability to learn how to do this the easy way with Holley Dominator on an 03 Cobra platform. Going underneath the car. You can see I have the Rife sensor mounted. You just got to choose the correct one for your application. I did absolutely everything for motion. And then make sure you're following the Rife instructions when installing the sensor. The dot lined up, the correct distance, 0.060, etc. And then, as you can see, let me get this a better angle for you. I ran the cord all the way through here, coming up, put a little protection on it, have it running up where the old e-brake cable is. Right there. Coming back up into the car, I have it coming out of the e-brake cable here, underneath the carpet, wrapping around, and then coming into my Dominator, which is now mounted onto the 25.5 cage. I have a little cheat sheet for wiring right here. So you got your brown for your sensor 5, blue for your sensor ground, and then your black is your signal out or your frequency sensor, which I highly recommend. It makes it way easier. So J2A I use for the frequency, and you can see right here I have them on here. So just find your Holley pin out, lay it out correctly, put it on the correct ones. Here is my cheat sheet again for anyone else that wants to use the same. Going over to the Holley Dominator, go over to your input outputs. You can see I just named one Driveshaft sensor, and then make sure it's under digital speed frequency. ECU pin J2A4, because that's what I configured it as. Going into configure, miles an hour, 0, 200, 140, 100. Pulses average 1, 16 ppROT, your gear ratio, and your tire diameter. Back, I'll go click USB link, and we will go live, and I'll pull the gauges up since we're online now. Gauges, I moved Driveshaft sensor right there, and let's see if I can move the tire really quick and get you so you can see that there's movement in the Driveshaft sensor, 1 mile an hour. I'm just moving it by hand, so it works. That is the simplest way to wire up your Rife Motion Driveshaft sensor with an 03 Cobra platform and a Holley Dominator, of course. All right, take it easy, guys.